Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OneSignal push notifications for web. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate OneSignal push notifications for your website, begin by creating a OneSignal account. Visit the OneSignal website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once registered, log into your OneSignal dashboard. Click on the Add a New App button. Choose a name for your new application and select Website for the platform. Click on Next to proceed with the setup. Select your integration type. For a simple web setup, choose the Web Push option. Click Next to continue. You'll be prompted to select your web platform. Choose between WordPress, custom code, or other based on your setup. If you choose custom code, OneSignal will provide you with a JavaScript snippet. Copy the provided code snippet to your clipboard. Next, open your website's code editor or CMS. Locate the head section of your HTML file. Paste the OneSignal JavaScript snippet into the head section. Return to the OneSignal dashboard and configure your notification settings. You can customize options such as the icon, title, and notification message. Once configured, click Save Changes to apply your settings. Now, navigate to the Settings tab. Ensure your site URL is correctly entered in the Site URL field. Scroll down to the Web Push section. Enable the toggle for Web Push notifications. After this, you will need to set your notification prompts. You can choose to show the prompt on page load or trigger it using an event. Test the push notification feature to ensure it is functioning properly. Create a test notification in your OneSignal dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.